So welcome, my friend.
Welcome.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Mia. Is this beer for me?
This is for you. I hope you enjoy the first beer. We start with the small one and we finish with the big one.
Mucho gracias.
I hope you enjoy it. And welcome to Mahón, Menorca.
Thank you. That was me in Spain, Mahón, Menorca, last weekend, on my birthday weekend. I went there to set a timer going. The clock is ticking, because in 1 year's time, well in less now, 51 weeks time, I'd like to be back there with a boat I've bought on my first leg of sailing around the planet. So I'm down in Anglesey, Isle of Anglesey, North Wales, UK. I bought myself a catamaran to sail around the world. So I'm going to let you into my life and let you see how I can carry on and try and fulfill my dreams, make my dreams come true with hard work, grit and determination. So this is the boatyard where the boat's at. I like to be in Mahón on my birthday to start the leg. It's a fiesta weekend on my birthday over there, so I'd like to be setting up the recording again, and hopefully maybe with the same girl pulling me the same pint. It would be amazing. Right, here's the catamaran here. Right. Well, look at this one here. I bought this one first to sail around the world in. It's a Bruce Roberts yacht, sailboat. But that's getting sold now because I thought, let's do it in comfort. Let's do it in style. So here's the boat. She's Tatty. Look at all this. Bits dropping off. So there you go. So this is just the introduction. My name's Andrew. Spider. Everyone calls me Spider. I used to sing in a band years ago. And then I used to DJ. So I used to do a karaoke as well. So I'm DJ Spider with his karaoke, and then I had a smoke machine that used to go so we're DJ Spider and his smoky karaoke. But that's another story. Let's concentrate on the boat. So I'm Captain Spider now, and I'll leave it at that. So right, I'd like you to subscribe and watch me on my journey now.
I'm the best man from ever to ever. So happy power! Hey, and happy birthday, man! Hey!
To me, to me, to me.